up, guys? Today it is Katie Phillips back today with another slime video. Wow! Okay, and today I have a very special guest with me. She's been in a lot of my videos, Here she is, Maddie Watson. She is one of the best cousins I could ever imagine. And guess what we're making today? As you see, we have three slime smoothies today. This is how we make them today. And we're mixing all the slime smoothies together. And what are we going to mix? Oh yeah, on the table.
We're going to put it on the table. That's nice.
Oh, there goes my, So, this is our main slime smoothie right here. And so we're going to have to mix this up,
Let's each grab half of it each, and then mix those two together, and then, break that one in half.
I know how to do it. So, we'll take this out. I can make her scared of me. Okay, I guess you can have like that. I guess. Ow! Huh? Sorry, our cameraman which is my brother, like always. But whatever. So this is our main slime smoothie. It is the biggest slime smoothie ever. We are going to make a slime swirl. So ready?
Oh no.
And
This is hard. Slime. Wait.
Oh wait, I think I might know how to do it. You go you have to go quick with it.
Okay, let's get to mixing these.
Oh wait, I know. It's finally going. And it's worth it. Okay.
Let's mix this one. Mix this one.
Okay. So the first contender is. I think this needs a little activator.
And
Play with this slime until I'll be back in 5 seconds.
what?
Okay, that may have took 15 seconds.
Hey, let's just a little after. Oops.
Yahtzee!
Whoa.
Okay, and we're back. So, maybe just put activator in it.
It's good enough.
Just a little. I don't think that was a little. Cut it!
Okay, let's mix it. I think it's activated enough. It even slides all over the table.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Then that means I get to do the other one. You gonna
Wait, we need to make it blue again.
Maddie, you're gonna mix it for this one, and then you're gonna put it in and mix it this one. And then the next one, I gotta mix it and put it in. So, yeah.
It's blue again, kind of.
Oh, I said I wasn't going to.
Huh? Oh, that was Molly.
Sorry, guys. That was my cousin.
There's my sister.
Oh, I said I wasn't going.
Huh?
We can dye it blue. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I don't care. I'm dyeing it blue.
I forgot.
This is my beautiful slime smoothie, and yeah, that's my brother.
Cameraman who's being lazy by using a stand.
This is purple. Okay, that's not too
I want
bad.
blue. I don't want my color. It's brownish.
Okay, this one's done. It's my turn.
But we both get sprayed.
No,
Oh yeah.
we didn't. Is there any on your hand? Okay.
Can I put a little food dye in it?
No! 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 Okay, that wasn't. And now we'll put a little by a little. You know, that's blue food dye. It's on my hands. Oh my god, it's on my hands.
Doesn't matter.
Now, hey! Remember our deal?
Yeah. I want. Alright, I'll tell you later.
I heard there's none on the table. Can you get a big bowl, Daddy? Please?
I will.
Help! 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 This is too heavy!
Well, this one.
Hurry up! I don't think this is big enough.
I think it is.
Well, there went that slime smoothie, I guess.
Grandma. Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, I did help this thing. This is fluffy. Do you know what a shaving cream is?
Yeah.
Can you go get it a little bit? I want to make this. Look, I found the gold! The gold has risen again! Guys, if you haven't seen the house with the clocks in the walls, I think it's amazing. You should really try it.
Shaving cream.
Okay, that's good. It's a little fluffy.
Nothing happened. Hi. Hi. Did you?
No, not very carefully, very carefully. We don't want to get on the bowl. Can food dye get off bowls?
Yeah.
Do you like this bowl? What? Why did you pick this bowl?
It's the biggest one. It was the biggest one I could find.
Okay.
It's fine.
Look at my hand. Remember, let's still not. Okay, that's good. There's still gold that has. Oh my.
Let me see if I can pop that. I can pop that.
Oh my
It
god.
took that much just to pop a bubble.
Oh my god, look at Ben. Look at Ben. Who is that?
Karen.
What the? Oh my. What were you on?
Photo collage.
Oh my god. Guys, our cousin had this hilarious photo on my grandma's iPad. And someone keep it in the bowl though.
I will. Wait, no, don't break it. I want to see how much I can pull up without until it breaks.
Probably a whole
This is hard.
Okay, it's pulling the bowl up.
Okay, the whole thing.
Okay. Well, this is what I'm going to do.
This is what you do.
We're crazy people. No, it's watered out. That's why. I wonder if Grandpa has shaving cream.
Oh yeah.
That's Grandpa's shaving cream. Oh yeah, this is the biggest slime smoothie.
You guys want to see it? Let's dump it out.
Not yet.
You guys can't see how big
Okay.
it is yet.
Guys, this is what we're gonna do. We are going to, in 5 seconds, I want you to guess how many pounds this is. This is right now.
Wait, take it out.
No. We're just going to show them like this. Okay, I guess we're going like this.
This.
This is, okay?
We should weigh it. We should put it in that bowl and weigh it.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
The
Okay,
answer will be in the comments below.
yes. And 5, 4, well, count down with me. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's that? No, Rex just started trying to use it. My turn to mix. Wait, let's do this. Like, let's spread it. Make it all strong. Wait, one sec. This is still boiling. I'm so sorry, Grandma. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, guys, I think it's time that should be. Should we go with the weighing thing? Yeah. How about you get it? I think you're in the room. Manny, you chose the wrong bowl. Chose the wrong bowl. I don't think I can do it. Wait, let's cook it real fast. Let's add some little more. Now this is what we're gonna do. Come on. Oh, we did make it. Wait a second. Okay, we're running out. I think it was 1-8.
Wait, it just showed. It was like 0 to 0.
It doesn't weigh that few pounds.
You're gonna have to eye it really quick, too. Ready?
This is the weight.
We're not gonna say the weight.
It's gonna be in. Okay. Comment your answer right now.
Like right now, no matter what. Just do it.
Okay.
And make sure you put it out.
Okay. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna tell you where you can find the answer to